Greetings everyone. Welcome to Only Tech Mind, your one-stop destination for all things Excel. Ready to unravel the magic of Microsoft Excel? Whether you're a formula fanatic or just dipping your toes into cells and functions, you're in for a treat. From jaw-dropping formulas to slick data visualizations, we've got it all. And here's the deal. If you're as pumped about Excel as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like icon to join our community of tech minds. Get ready to supercharge your skills, one formula at a time. Let's dive in. Today, I am going to explain charts. A chart is just a graphical representation of some numbers, and the scientists and engineers among us often refer to charts as graphs. The two terms refer to the same thing, and throughout this website we will use the term chart. Information is often easier to absorb when it is presented graphically, and charts are often used to emphasize the relationship between certain data values. Displaying your data graphically can make it easier to spot patterns and trends in your data. Before you can create a chart, you must have some data on your worksheet. Static charts. This is a chart that has been unlinked from its data range. This can be done in two ways. 1. Convert it to a picture. 2. Convert the range references to arrays. Axes. A chart can have 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 axes, and any of them can be hidden. Formatting. To quickly remove all formatting from the plot area, select the plot area and press Delete. Chart tips. When you move the mouse over a chart element, a small chart tip is displayed. Now, let's talk about types of charts you can create in Ms. Excel. In Microsoft Excel, you can create various types of charts to visually represent data and trends. Here are some common types of charts you can create using Excel. Column chart. Column charts display data as vertical bars, making it easy to compare values across different categories. They are useful for showing changes over time or comparing values between different items. Bar chart. Similar to column charts, bar charts display data as horizontal bars. They are particularly effective when you want to compare values across categories that have long labels. Line chart. Line charts represent data points as markers connected by lines. They are ideal for showing trends over time or continuous datasets. Pie chart. Pie charts display data as segments of a circle, with each segment representing a proportion of the whole. They are useful for displaying parts of a whole and comparing percentages. Donut chart. Donut charts are similar to pie charts but have a hole in the center. They are used to show the relationship of parts to a whole, much like pie charts. Area chart. Area charts are similar to line charts, but the area beneath the line is shaded. They are suitable for showing cumulative data and comparing multiple data series. Scatter plot. Scatter plots use points to represent individual data points. They are useful for displaying relationships between two variables and identifying patterns or trends. Bubble chart. Bubble charts are an extension of scatter plots where the data points are represented as bubbles. The size of the bubbles represents a third data dimension. Radar chart. Radar charts, also known as spider charts, display data points along multiple axes that radiate from a central point. They are useful for comparing multiple data series with different variables. Stock chart. Stock charts are specifically designed for financial data, often used to show stock prices over time. They include high, low, open, and close values. Surface chart. Surface charts are three-dimensional charts that display data points on a grid, creating a surface to represent the data's values. They are useful for showing the relationships between three variables. Combo chart. Combo charts allow you to combine different chart types in a single chart, which is useful when you want to represent multiple data series with varying characteristics. These are just a few examples of the chart types you can create in Excel. Depending on your data and the story you want to tell, you can choose the appropriate chart type to effectively communicate your information. Charts are dynamic, meaning that the data on your worksheet is linked to the chart. If the numbers on your worksheet change, then the chart will be updated automatically. Charts let you visually illustrate the relationship between different items. If you want to chart a whole block of data, you only need to select one of the cells before starting the chart wizard. The current region will be selected automatically. Now, I will show you how you can create different charts. And there you have it, Excel champions. I hope you found this tutorial valuable and that it helps you conquer your spreadsheet challenges with confidence. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Excel wizardry, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Got questions or ideas for upcoming videos? Drop them in the comments below. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're thrilled to be a part of your Excel adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Only Tech Mind. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep excelling.